Manipur Manunda, Giri Bang Nataba, Atokong Fanta. Sumaina Porte, Railway, Purapa, Train Purapa. In found the gate, she covers 100 kilometers to drive on the take. Our Chief Minister na Manipur da award pa Handanaba 2017 Mahagda Manipur State Executive Board and Chief Minister head for a pretty matunda. Upon the young Sumaina, time to time, Mahanasapai discussed over that. How do we make all the essential commodities available all the time and safe? The Honorable Chief Minister gave priority when it comes to the company. Honorable Chief Minister also going ahead. It is known to all. We are all witness to all. In the past, whenever there is any small issue, we will run out of oil, essential commodities, panic buying. It often happened in the past. But in the recent times, in spite of all the problems that we face in our state, I think we have not suffered to that extent, in spite of all the problems that we face, like COVID, and then last year, some problems in our state. Koi problem kia later su sigumba kanangai what hand the bahasi. I think people should appreciate the efforts made by our Chief Minister and the government. I would like to say thank you to all the officers who have taken part for bringing all these essential commodities up to this station. I also thank our Honorable Chief Minister for coming all the way from Imphal to witness the good trends that arrived again in this Khongsang railway station. Thank you.